In this video, I want to show you how to do layer stacking of raster in QGIS. Layer stacking essentially is a process of combining different bands together to form a single multi-band layer. So I will show you how to do it in QGIS. So let me go to QGIS. In QGIS, the first thing to do is to bring your bands. So click on Add Raster Layer. Navigate to your folder. In this exercise, I have Landsat image here, which consists of band 1 to 11. So let's just say we want to layer stack band 1 to 7, for instance, band 1 to 7. So highlight the band 1 to layer stack and click on Open. So this will load in all your bands for you. These are our bands from band 1 to band 7. What we can do is to group it. To group it, let's just add a name group. Click here and let me collapse this. So this is just the name group we added. Right click and rename it. Rename. Let's call it stack. Okay. Highlight all these 7 bands and bring it under here. Yes, we have grouped it under stack. Now, to do the layer stacking, come to raster and come to miscellaneous. Click on build virtual raster. Then here we have 2 options here. Use visible raster layer for inputs and choose input directory instead of file. So here we want to use the visible raster layer, that is all these 7 bands. I'll check this. Then our output file, let's click here and let's name it as stack2. Yes, click on save. Then here resolution, check here and choose the highest resolution, and here let's check this separate. Then click on OK. Yes, the process is completed. Click OK and click OK. Then we can now close this. So we can see our layer stack layer. So here let's uncheck all this. Yes, this is our layer stack. So we need to do some rendering to make it more appealing. So right click here and come to properties. When it opens, come under style. So we want to select our rendering band for red band, green band and blue band, and this depends on you. So let's say the red band is band 4, the green band band 3, and the blue band band 2. Click on apply to see. Yes, you can see it. Let me move this a bit. Now we still need to do more to enhance it. Come to load minimum and maximum value. Then click on minimum maximum and click on load. Then scroll down, come to color rendering. So adjust the brightness. Apply. So this you can play with the band rendering by changing the bands according to your needs, and also adjust the color rendering. So once you are satisfied with the rendering, click on OK. You can see our layer stack bands. So this is how to do layer stacking of raster layers in QGIS. Thank you for watching.